In May of 1453, the city of Constantinople was already dying, not with fire, not with screams, but with exhaustion. For nearly 1,000 years, its walls had stood as the greatest defensive system the world had ever known. Empires rose and fell beyond them. Armies shattered against them. Civilizations changed, but Constantinople endured. Now, behind those legendary walls, hunger ruled. Grain stores were nearly empty. Pay for soldiers had stopped. The population had shrunk to a fraction of its former glory, and outside the walls, patience waited. The siege begins. The Ottoman army did not rush. Led by Mehmed II, they encircled the city with precision. This was not a medieval siege of ladders and brute force alone. This was something new. Cannons, massive, experimental, terrifying, were rolled into position. Each blast shook the ground. Each impact cracked walls, once believed unbreakable. The sound echoed for miles, day after day, night after night. The defenders repaired breaches by moonlight, stacking rubble, timber, and corpses where stone once stood. Fatigue became the true enemy. A city on the brink. Inside the city, there was no relief coming. Western Europe debated. Allies hesitated. Promises arrived too late, or not at all. Emperor Constantine XI walked the walls himself, not as a symbol of power, but as a reminder that no one else was coming. The defenders were not cowards. They were simply out of time. The gate in the shadows. Along the northern stretch of the city walls lay a small postern gate. It was not grand. It was not meant for armies. It was known as the Kerkoporta. Its purpose was mundane movement of patrols, messengers, routine logistics. It was not designed for glory, and because of that, it lived in the shadows of history. Sometime during the final assault, whether through chaos, oversight, or exhaustion, the gate was left unguarded. No orders recorded it. No trumpet announced it. No chronicler noticed it in the moment. But soldiers noticed. Ottoman troops, probing constantly for weakness, found the opening. And they slipped inside. Collapse from within. Once inside the walls, the logic of defense collapsed. Panic spread faster than any army could. Defenders turned to face threats behind them. Signals failed. Formations dissolved. The walls had not fully fallen. The city had folded. By sunrise on May 29, 1453, Constantinople was lost. The Byzantine Empire, older than medieval Europe itself, ceased to exist. History and debate. Historians still debate the Kerkoporta. Some argue its role has been exaggerated by later chroniclers searching for symbolism. Others maintain it was one of several simultaneous failures. But on one point, historians agree. The city did not fall because its walls were weak. It fell because its people were exhausted. Civilizations do not collapse only under pressure. They collapse when pressure meets fatigue. Closing reflection. The lesson of Constantinople is not about a gate. It is about systems stretched too thin. about vigilance eroded by time, about how the smallest failure at the worst moment can end a 1,000-year story. And history would repeat this lesson again and again and again.